OTeam Family Adventure in Sturgis, South Dakota. Sturgis Motorcycle Rally 2022. Here we go. Devil's Tower.
Holy crap. Wyoming.
In Wyoming? Or are we in South Dakota?
Oh, Wyoming.
Are we? Yep. And there are so many bikers over there. It is Sturgis. An hour and a half away, we'll be in Sturgis. Welcome to the Devil's Tower National Monument in Wyoming.
Jack, turn it off.
You guys ready?
Yep.
It's a little detour on our way to Rapid City. All right, we're on the trail. We got some pictures. It's like 99 degrees out. It's so hot, feels like Texas. There's the Devil's Tower right there. Supposedly the youngest person to climb it is a 6-year-old, Henry said. The oldest is a 90-something-year-old. It's what is it with the Native Americans, Henry? It's kind of like a worship area.
Like a sacred area.
Sacred area.
They used to have all these legends about how it was made to protect from like the giant bear in the area.
Oh, Mommy was telling the truth about a bear scratching it.
Yeah, that's what I kept saying.
Oh, I thought Mommy was making that up. That's why they call it the Devil's Tower, maybe. Awesome.
Well, they didn't make it a different name. I don't know.
Yep. All right, guys, we are 3/4 of the way there. It's 99 degrees out, and guess what Henry's wearing? I'll let you guess. It's jammy pants. He's nuts. Absolutely crazy. It's
I went to bed with it. I woke up with it. I didn't.
100 degrees.
Pull it up.
Oh,
100
yeah.
in Wyoming.
No kidding. Whew. I don't know if it's worth it, but.
Yes. I've never been traded before.
Anyway, thanks for joining us on this episode of OTeam Family Adventures. Is it this way? Go give a little hug to Aunt Alice. We made it to Uncle Jim and Aunt Alice's.
Is that your new dog? Yes. Was just moving a second ago.
What?
Legit, look over there. Like, look over there. It's moving. I swear. Did you see that? But look over here. Look over here.
This is where the girls are sleeping.
8 ragdolls. So many billion of them. Wait, come here.
Raggedy
They
Ann's.
follow your eyes. Watch.
This is where the girls get to sleep. In a basement. With
Follow your eyes. Hey, Daddy.
freaky
Stand
dolls.
right in that corner.
Oh no.
You should see a couple dolls staring at you. I hate this one.
Dolls.
I'm just more freaking sleeping.
There's one. There's one. There's another one.
There's an old
Look at them. They're staring
that
at us.
one's freaking terrifying.
More dolls everywhere you look. Well, sleep good, girls. Ha 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 ha. Welcome to the Dinosaur Park in Rapid City. This is where Mama remembers. She lived here from kindergarten to 4th grade. And she remembers this park vividly, she said. How did Willow? She's just climbed that like a champ. Jeez, that's so high, Willow. That's like 15 feet. Oh my gosh. You just didn't even think about it. Do you realize how high you are, Willow? Oh my god. Brontosaurus. There's Rapid City, population 70-some thousand, I guess. Pretty cool skyline views. Here we are going to have a visit with Mommy and Daddy at the Black Hills National Cemetery. There they are. Oh, Shirley.
Look, there's a chip on this side.
Oh. Oh.
This is my dad.
Oh.
They said it's really...
Welcome to Sturgis, South Dakota, everybody. Motorcycle Rally.
82nd annual motorcycle rally.
82nd annual. And this is the last weekend. I think it's like for 2 weeks about. That's you.
Yeah.
Here we are, downtown Sturgis. There's a lot of bikes up here, guys.
$20 to park here, Daddy. Where are you gonna park?
I don't know. Let's just drive through for a minute. Mommy and the kids are doing some shopping. Daddy parked. What'd you find, girls?
We're gonna get
Whoa.
We're gonna get a black shirt and then we have a rebel.
Ooh, yeah. What do you think about this place, Willow? Pretty cool. Jet, what do you think about all these motorcycles?
What
What are you getting, Henry?
This one?
Skull?
Skull
Nice.
smoking something.
Sweet.
Wait, how do you know the difference between...
OTeam Family Adventure in Sturgis, South Dakota. Sturgis Motorcycle Rally 2022. Good job, Jet. Jet. Good job. Nice shirt, bro. Alright, they didn't think I was cool enough with my hat. So I got me a bandana for free. Oh, she doesn't have any clothes on. Oh wow, she got a little something on. Anyway, I still don't have a shirt. Everybody else has a shirt. But I just won't really wear it probably, so I didn't get one.
Nothing better than boobies and doobies.
Okay, Henry. That's a lot of motorcycles. Well, we're done with the rally. Henry, did you like it?
That was cool.
Yeah.
If you wanted to go to an old person home, that would be cool.
What church is this?
It's a lot of older people. A lot of older people. Eli, did you have fun though?
Yeah.
It's a good time. You want to do it again?
No.
Shirley, did you want to do that again next year?
No.
Did you have fun though?
Really, my leg.
We only saw a couple other kids, so definitely not family friendly, but thanks for joining us on this episode of OTeam Family Adventures in Sturgis, South Dakota.
Yeah, she's been down at the rally, so she can find more out more than
Yeah.
our dog.
Me? West. What? West. Just like north, south, east, and west. Oh, really? Yeah. Get her back.
Tracy loves that. She
West has a friend here. Uncle Jimmy getting down here.
Wars and everything.
This is the Miners Gateway Tunnel. Look at that. Beautiful. We are headed to, where are we going, guys? Mount Rushmore in the Black Hills of South Dakota. Welcome to Mount Rushmore. All right, girls, history test. Who are those 4 presidents? Wait. No, just the girls. Just the girls. George
I
Washington.
don't know the rest.
Abraham Lincoln's on the right.
George W. Bush.
No, actually, it's not George W. Bush. Henry
Michael
truly
W.
thought
Smith?
one of those.
Texas pledge.
Truly thought one of those.
Michael W. Smith. Michael W. Smith.
What's that?
Oh my
Michael
gosh,
W.
that's a
Smith?
Christian singer.
He's up there.
I can't even post this. I cannot post this.
I said it's
George W. Bush is one of them, and Michael W. Smith.
I was joking. George W. Bush.
No, listen, Henry just did the Texas pledge, dude.
He knows them.
I pledge allegiance.
To thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Yes. Good job.
What the no? It's
Henry, tell us again.
It's actually on the Texas flag.
Who are those presidents, Henry? From left to right.
Left, George Washington, Jefferson, Roosevelt, Teddy Roosevelt, and then Abraham Lincoln.
Honest Abe. And ladies and gentlemen, we are at Waldrug.
South Dakota,
Goku.
you know,
South Dakota, you
we're
know.
going to get some fun stuff in here. Maybe some sugar from my gross coffee Brett made, and maybe some t-shirts or something fun.
They still have coffee here since 1931. That's 5 cents.
Hey, if you
So-
saw that biker lady, she didn't wear a brassiere on. Just letting them hang in the breeze there.
No, really?
Yeah.
Here we go. Alright, here we are. Inside Waldrug. Here we go. This way, girls. I think they're over here.
Look at these soaps. It's big soaps. So sad.
It's just tons of rooms here. There's the Traveler's Chapel. It's just store within stores within stores. Everywhere you look. You could be here for hours. There's the cafeteria. Look at all those donuts. Yummy, yummy. Well, how's the donut?
Good.
Daddy was eating one and they thought that was pretty good, so they got one.
Vanilla pig. A donut and a knife.
What? Oh my, you got the blade out, Willow.
It's a fire.
Okay, good.
Donut.
Well, thanks for joining us at Waldrug, everybody, in South Dakota. Oh,
This isn't the file. This is the. This isn't the knife. It's the file.
yep, okay. Right outside, after 15 minutes from Waldrug, this is the Badlands. Got to come through here. $30. Drive through. It's a little windy. And it's literally 100 degrees today. I think it's 102 out. It's super warm. Check that out. Holy cow, looks like Henry's on the edge. How close is that? Holy cow, that's dangerous. Scary looking. Henry! No, sir. Check this thing in about 1 minute, too.
Oh, wow. That's hard to believe.
It's pretty cracked. It's about a 30-minute drive through the Badlands here. We're just kind of taking a
They didn't let us use our
slight detour to get back on the interstate so we can head back to Texas, but we thought we'd drive through here, see a sight, and then be on the road again. It's pretty cool. Bighorn sheep on the side of the road.
chopstick.
Whoa, look at that guy.
There's one back there.
You got so down we can't see.
I can
No,
see
it's
it.
not. I can't see.
Okay, Truly.
Mama. Where did that
Whoa. Is that hot, Eli? Oh, wow, she loves it.
Big glue.
Well, we made it to Oklahoma on the way home to Texas. See Scarlett and Aunt Tina, Aunt Doreen, and have a little swim.
That's so easy.
Nice little break. And there's Sigrid, yeah.
That's such a minor matter. I just
Go, Willow. We are almost home. We're just about going through Dallas. We're going through the Big D, and I mean Dallas. And look at the sunset. I don't know if it'll show up much on the camera. No, it looks terrible. It's supposed to be a meteor shower tonight. Truly told us. Full moon. We made it home. It's 12:04 in the morning. Bye, y'all. Thanks for joining us.